We are going to make a keto-friendly chocolate orange ice cream, but we're going to reverse it and do orange ice cream with chocolate chips. This is the second time I filmed this. I lost some of the footage and I just couldn't make it work. So here we go again, which is actually fine because it's enabling me to make just a tiny little adjustment to make it even better. So, nice and easy, keto friendly means low carb, high fat. That is where we are now. I really wanted to use real oranges for this orange zest, but they had all gone off. So we're going to use orange extract. Now, if you don't use the orange extract and you want to use the orange zest, that is absolutely fine. Just go ahead and don't use this. Just put in 1/2 an orange zest. The recipe will go ever so slightly harder, but not enough to be of detriment to the result. So less chit and chat, let's get on with that. For the keto orange chocolate chip, you are going to need, up on the screen, here we go, 264 grams of cream, 119 grams of water, 55 grams of allulose, 54 grams of inulin, 5 grams of orange extract or zest of half an orange, 0.8 grams of guar gum, and then your chocolate chips, somewhere between 25 and 50 grams of milk chocolate. Gonna make this a cold process. With guar gum, we don't have to heat it up. We've got our tub ready. We've got our scales ready. So let's get everything weighed out. Let's get the cream out of the fridge. Not that one. So much cream in there. 264 grams of cream as normal, cup measurements on the screen. 264 grams of cream, nice. 119 grams of water. I'm just going to go straight out the tap. 119 grams. My battery is running out of my scale, so we're going to have to hurry up. 55 grams of allulose. Has it given up? Into that, we're going to add 54 grams of inulin. That. Into that, we are going to add our guar gum, or as Americans like to say, guar gum. Say it how you like so. And with that done, we can now just gently mix those powders together. Again, we just do this to break up the guar gum, the stabilizer, whatever. As this is cold process, if you want to heat this up and use your hot process stabilizer, then just mix all the ingredients together and heat it up to your 80 to 85 centigrade, 180, 85F. That will do the same thing. But sometimes I like to make it nice and easy. A lump of something there. There we go. So with that done, we're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. If you were using the orange zest, you'd put it in now. And ideally, you'd want to leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours, just to let those orange oils come out of that zest. And then, after you've done that, then you can put it in the freezer. You can just pour it straight into there, then put it in the freezer when it's ready. If you put it in the freezer straight away, you won't get a stronger orange flavour, so it's worth doing. But as we're using the extract today, we're going straight in 5 grams of orange extract. People always ask me what extracts I use. I use Nielsen Macy extracts pretty much exclusively, unless I've made it myself. I make my own extracts where I can, and where I can't or can't be bothered, then it's Nielsen Macy. You can buy them everywhere. Literally everywhere. Buy them on Amazon, buy them, you know, in supermarkets and specialty baking stores, all over the place. It's an American brand, I think. Yeah, Illinois. It's an American brand. And I know for a fact that it's available in Europe. Pretty much in all supermarkets. Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Co-op, Lidl and Aldi? Don't know, maybe. There we go. The guar gum is starting to thicken that base ever so slightly. So that's perfect. That's ready to go into our container. Straight into... perfect amount. This equates to 500 grams, which fills your Ninja Creamy tub right up to the line perfectly. So, lovely smell of orange. Seal it up, pop it in the freezer. We are on the next day. We're gonna get this orange keto ice cream spun up. And whilst the machine is running, we're going to get out our milk chocolate. This is Valrhona milk chocolate, but just use a good quality milk chocolate. That is fine. It's been in the freezer. We're going to get out a chopping board. This is my kids' chopping board. And we're going to cut this up nice and small. Make sure there's some really small pieces. If you like large chunks, make it large. Cut it up to the size that you want to eat it at. So, just in case you didn't read the screen, this is milk chocolate. It's about 50 grams of it. I kept it in the freezer, get it nice and hard so I can chop it up. Let's get a spoon and just get it in there. Like so. And back on and sometimes that feels like that goes on way too long. There we go. I'll leave that there just so people remember that this is a keto recipe. Let's get some in the bowl. Gorgeous smelling orange keto ice cream with milk chocolate chips throughout. Valrhona milk chocolate chips. Perfect. Smells delicious. Let's try some. Excellent. Perfect combination of that orange ice cream. You get a much more natural orange flavour doing it this way rather than, you know, a chocolate orange chocolate. So if you like really strong orange, then you can add a bit more extract, but you might have to reduce the allulose. Good quality milk chocolate. Man, delicious. Excluding the chocolate, because you might use a different one, these are the macros for this keto orange ice cream. So per 100 grams, we've got 17 grams of fat, 4.18 grams of carbs, 1.8 grams of sugar, 0.7 grams of fiber, and 1.4 grams of protein. There you go. Really nice. People often ask on recipes, and those that don't know don't give them the answer, but where did the sugars come from when you use a sugar substitute? It's the dairy. Lactose is a sugar. It's a type of sugar in milk and cream, and actually that's what people have the allergy to in lactose intolerance. It's actually a type of sugar. So people that ask about lactose-free ice cream, just buy lactose-free milk or lactose-free cream. That you're done. You can even buy lactose-free skim milk powder. So there's no reason to make bad ice cream, even if you are lactose intolerant. Just choose the 3 specific ingredients that you need to make high quality professional grade ice cream, like we do on this channel. I'd like to also welcome all the new subscribers, loads of you in the last month. It's like 2,500 of you in the last month, which is incredible. The Ninja Creami has got a lot to do with this. So something I want to point out is, as you likely know, the Ninja Creami has quite a following. Most recipes you'll find are really quite bad. If you are one of those people that just wants to make good ice cream, come along on my journey. We're gonna make a load of it. As we increase in subscribers, I'm open to lots of new suggestions, so let me know what you want to see in the comments. I will do my best. I got a huge list, but I'm working through it. So thanks very much for coming with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not. I'll see you next time.